So I'm going to prove that this identity is true. And I notice that the left side here has the same form as the left side here. So I'm going to do this identity using this data. The pi over 2 is S, and the alpha is T. So now I have cosine of pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to cosine of pi over 2 cosine of alpha plus sine of pi over 2 sine of alpha. And I know cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so this term becomes 0 plus, and I know sine of pi over 2 is 1, so this is just this one is just sine of alpha. So I prove this one. Alright, so I'm going to erase it, and I'm going to prove the other one. Actually, this one is related to this one. So let's go back to this one, and this identity holds true for any value of alpha. So that means instead of alpha, I can put something else. So I'm going to rewrite it as cosine of pi over 2 minus something else. All right. So this should give me the value. Should give me the value of something else. Okay. So that something else is going to be pi over 2. So I grab it from here and I put it there. So I do another copy and I put it there. Okay. So now I'm going to rewrite my cosine here. So cosine of pi over 2 minus pi over 2 plus beta. Just remove the parentheses. So I know that these two cancel each other out. And so now I have cosine of beta is indeed the sine of pi over 2 minus beta, which is what I was trying to prove. And now is the time to memorize two important identities. So if you have a cosine of pi over 2 minus theta, this is actually it's just equal to the sine of theta. And likewise, if you have the sine of pi over 2 minus theta, this is just the same as cosine of theta. So memorize these two identities and call me in the morning.